Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Good evening. Kalispera. I'm sitting in Diane's beautiful garden up here in the mountainous greenery of Ikaria. Cheers. My name is Victor Romagnoli. I'm originally from Canada, and I've had the pleasure this last week of enjoying a fantastic experience, and that is this cooking sessions with Diane Clohulis here on Ikaria. You know, I have gone to cooking classes in schools in countless countries on 6 continents. Only the Antarctic I haven't done it. The penguins don't tell us what they eat. But this experience was absolutely magical. It wasn't just about the food, it was about life. It was about what's important and how to enjoy life. And for that, well, we have Diane to thank. So if you ever get a chance to come and do this, don't don't miss it. It's an experience that'll change your life. So cheers to you all and enjoy. Thank you, Diane and the team. Okay.